So one wonders, on what basis did Inec collect the result? On what basis did you announce a result?
We are live in court. Today, we continue from where we stopped yesterday. Thank you for always supporting the future news. Tinubu and Shetima begins their defense today as usual. They will majorly be tendering documents, no witnesses. What documents will they tender to prove their loss, and why no witnesses? Well, come with me. Let's find out what they have in bunk. Justice Stephen Ada JCA just welcomed the council and general public to today's proceedings. Council appearances ongoing. Party appearances: Dr. Dati Ahmed, representing the second petitioner, Labour Party; Mr. Damilola George, Senior Legal Officer, Legal Department, APC, representing APC. LP Council team is ably led today by Dr. Livy Uzouku, SAN, First Respondent, Inec. Council led by AB Mahmood, SAN. Second and third respondent, Bashetima. Council led by Chief Wole Olenibekun, SAN. Fourth respondent, APC. Council led by Lateef O. Fagbemi, SAN. Comprehensive list of appearance. All parties are in court. I'm going to jump that because we do not have time. Bashetima begins their defense. The matter is for defense of the second and third respondents. If it pleases my noble lord, we are ready to go on. But first, we want to tender some documents from the bar. We filled it this morning, but we have served on all my learned friends of the respective parties. There are 18 items on the schedule, and we want to call all before we proceed. We will tender item 1 and 2 together, tender item 3 separately, followed by item 4 and 5, which will be tendered together. 6, 7, 8, and 9 will be tendered together. 10 and 11 will be tendered together. 12 separately. We list 13 and 14 jointly. 15 and 16 will be tendered separately. We list 17 and 18 will be tendered jointly. The first is a letter from the Nigerian police to the United Embassy dated 3rd February 2003, asking for some information about the second respondent, Tinubu, and the response from the US Embassy dated 4th February 2023. First letter signed by the then IG of police, the other was signed by Michael of the US Embassy. We seek to tender them. Inec, no objection. APC, no objection. Labour Party, we vehemently oppose admitting these two documents. Will give our reasons in the course of the final address. Of course, we do not consent. Court has admitted the document and marked RA8 and RA9 respectively. Bashetima will now go to item 3. Bashetima Council continues. These are bundles of documents which are related to the education record of the second respondent, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It was certified by one Jamal T, Associate General Counsel, Office of Legal Affairs, Chicago State University. Certification was done on 28 June 2023. There are 12 items excluding the receipt of $1,000 paid for certification. We seek to tender them from the bar. We seek to tender them. Inec, no objection. APC, no objection. Labour Party, we object to this document and will give our reasons together with our final address. Court, bundles of documents related to the educational record of Tinubu had just been admitted by court and tagged Exhibit RA10. Tinubu and Shetima continues. Data page of Nigerian passport issued in 2011 and 28 November 2019. We seek to tender before this court. Inec, no objection. APC, no objection. LP, we object and will give our reasons in our final address. It seems it is now the turn of Labour Party to object every bundle they are bringing and every document they are bringing in court. Court has admitted the data pages of the two of Tinubu's passport, presented and tagged as RA11 and 12 respectively. Bashetima continues. We now take items 6, 7, 8, and 9 together. Item 6 is the second respondent visa to the USA issued on 4th February 2011. Item 7 is a visa page of the second respondent, issues on the 12th July 2017. Item 8 is a visa issued on 25th July 2019 and visa issued on 18th November 2021. That also is my birthday. They are duly certified by the Nigerian Immigration. We seek to tender them. Inec, APC, no objection. Labour Party, we object and will give our reasons in our final address. One thing that Tinubu does not know is that he never expected this kind of mission from the P2B's camp. He never knew that there's somebody that can match his energy. All presented documents are admitted and tagged as Exhibit RA 13, 14, 15, and 16, admitted by the court. Bashetima continues. Second petitioners forwarding letter dated 5th April 2022 to Inec and second petitioners register of members from Anambra State. Inec and APC no objection. LP we object and will give reasons in our final address. Court has admitted and tagged it as Exhibit RA 17 and RA 18. Bashetima moves on. We now move to items 12, which we want to tender separately. A report of the committee of the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria. INEC and APC no objection. LP no objection. Court admitted and marked as Exhibit RA 19. Bashetima continues. EC 8D of Kano State in respect of the election and EC 8D subsection A of Kano State both is in respect of 2023 presidential election. INEC and APC no objection. LP this is consistent with agreement of all parties in the pre-hearing, so we are not objecting to the document. Item 13 in the copy of Form EC 8D for Kano State in respect of February 25, 2023 general election, while item 14 is the CTC of the Form EC 8D A in respect of Kano State for the February 25th, 2023 election.
They call a white man of Nigeria because he said don't do that.
That is his life.
Bashetima continues. Respondent Counsel seeks to tender the above document into evidence. INEC, APC, no objection. LP will vehemently object to the tendering of the above document and would prefer reasons for the objection at the final address stage. Court, the item 13 and 14 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of document is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as Exhibit RA 20 and RA 21 respectively. Item 15 is the acknowledged copy of notice of voluntary withdrawal of the third respondent from the Borno Central Senatorial election dated the 6th of July 2022. Bashetima will seek to tender the above document into evidence. INEC and APC no objection. LP will vehemently object to the tendering of the above documents and would proffer reasons for the objection at the final address stage. The item 15 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of document is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as Exhibit RA 22. Item 16 in the judgment of the Supreme Court in SC CV 501/2023 between People's Democratic Party v. Independent National Electoral Commission and third delivered on 26th May 2023. Bashetima Respondent Counsel seeks to tender the above document into evidence. INEC and APC no objection. LP no objection. The item 16 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of documents is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as Exhibit RA 23. Item 17 is copy of page 28 of the Nigerian Tribune newspaper of 23rd February 2023. While item 18 is copy of page 27 of Nigerian Tribune newspaper of 23rd February 2023. Bashetima will seek to tender the above documents into evidence. INEC and APC no objection. LP will vehemently object to the tendering of the above document and will prefer our reasons for the objection at the final address stage. The items 17 and 18 listed in the second and third respondent schedule of document is hereby admitted into evidence and marked as Exhibit RA 24 and RA 25 respectively. We move. Court is on recess for 10 minutes Let's stretch our body and I'll be right back. We are back from the recess. After initially saying they will tender just document and no witnesses this morning, Bashetima Counsel changed their mind. Well, they called their first witness. Witness swears with the Holy Bible. Bashetima, what's your name? They asked witness. Witness replies, Sen Mike Obayemi Bamidele. Bashetima asks, what is your occupation and qualification? A lawmaker and a lawyer. Address at Maitama. I am a counselor at New York and a member of the Chartered Institute of Arbitration Nigeria. Graduated from University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo. I also attended the Nigerian Law School. Witness replies by Shetima Counsel. You swore a witness oath to this court. If you see it, will you recognize it? Yes, witness replies. Please show him page 83 to 138. Yes, I identify it as my statement. Do you wish to adopt it as your evidence in these proceedings? Yes, witness replies by Shetima Counsel. In paragraph 31, 32, 49, 51, 101, 114, and 119 of that witness deposition, you have referred to several dependents. Please, can you have a look at the exhibit with you? RA8, RA9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and RA25. Are those the document? Bashetima asks. Yes, witness replies. In your witness deposition, you deposed to the statement that the votes in Kano State were not recorded properly with a shortfall of about 10929 votes. If you see the form EC8D and EC8D sub A, will you recognize? Yes, the argument is contained in column 9 of each of them. Witness replies. In paragraph 114 of your witness deposition, you also refer to a foreign observer's report of the presidential election 2023. If you see one of such reports, particularly ECOWAS, will you be able to identify it? Yes, witness replies. Can you show it to him? Yes, I recognize it. Witness replies. Can you tell my lord who signed it? Bashetima Counsel asks witness. Witness replies. Signed by HENS Baf Koroma, former president of Republic of Sierra Leone and currently the head of ECOWAS Observers Mission in Nigeria. We seek to tender this, Bashetima tells court. No objection from APC and Inec. LP, we object and will give reasons in final address. Bashetima continues. In paragraph 19 and 114, where you refer to a letter from the second petitioner forwarding the membership list to Inec and also a register of members of the second petitioners from Anambra State as at 25th April 2022. If you see it, will you recognize it? Witness replies, yes. Bashetima continues. There is exhibit RA17 and R818 that will be all from our own part on examination in chief. Cross-examination. Inec, distinguished senator, I have no question for you. APC, most distinguished senator, you were a former chairman of Senate Committee on Judiciary and Appointment, majority leader of APC just yesterday. Witness, yes. APC continues. Exhibit RA18, which you just confirmed as the register of members of LP, does not contain P2B as a meme vet of LP. Witness, yes. APC, as a US practitioner, you know that there cannot be a charge, and apart from the charge, there cannot be a conviction. Witness replies, APC, yes. Look at exhibit RA8 and RA9 as a practicing attorney in the US and Nigeria. You know that those give the second respondent a clean record? Yes. Look at PA5. It does not contain conviction nor sentences on the face of it, right? Yes. Do you have your membership papers from the US? APC asks witness. Yes. Witness replies. I seek to tender 3 documents evidencing membership of the New York Bar in evidence. Court, but this one looks like a complimentary card. APC, no, but we won't tender that one anymore. Court, but aren't this the same card? Court asks APC. Yes. Court continues. Then why are you tendering both? APC replies, even if it is one, it will suffice, my lord. Witness continues. They issue a new card every now and then. Which one is the latest one? Court asks the witness. This one proceeds to show the court. Inec, Bashetima, no objection. LP, I vehemently oppose to this purported membership card. Court, the American Bar membership card is admitted as RA28. APC continues. As member of the American Bar, you know that Sen Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a citizen of Nigeria? Witness, yes. LP cross-examination. LP, it's time for LP to cross-examine the witness. In your witness statement on page 136 of paragraph 56 in Roman numerals, you mentioned that you are going to rely on international observers, correct? Witness replies, LP Counsel, yes. Take a look at this document. Witness stares at the document, yes. That's the European Union report on the Nigerian election, right? So it seems. I seek to tender this document. LP moves to tender the document. Inec will object to the admissibility of this document and will give reasons in final address. Bashetima, my lord, I don't know why counsel failed to let my lord that they are tendering an exhibit already in the matter to my lord. Not from the court, people saying it is from PDP matter. Oh, from PDP matter. Anyways, we oppose and will give reasons. APC, we oppose and will give reasons. Court, CTC of EU observation report is admitted as exhibit HX2. LP continues. May I request for the exhibit? I want to read page 60, paragraph 620. By the time of the declaration of the result, more than a quarter of the results were missing on IREV and ordered blood without a good reason. LP, please read paragraph 17 of this ECOWAS document he tendered. Witness replies, incident of violence and killings and includes the murder of Enugu senatorial candidates and 3 others who lost their lives in Kano due to opposition party. I don't agree because I will attribute it to IPOB. Labour Party continues. You do not have a license to practice law in the state of Illinois? Witness replies, I have a license to practice federal law across the United States. LP continues. The forfeiture of $450,000 in the account of second respondent. The court made an order which the court made as a result of proceeds of narcotics. Can you confirm? Witness, yes, I read it and it represents civil proceedings. LP continues. You aren't an IT expert, are you? I am not. Witness replies. It is correct that you have not tendered any license for you to practice law in New York? Yes. Witness replies, yes. I want to put it in record. American Bar Association is a voluntary association. Witness replies, it is a voluntary association as far as you are a member of the bar. LP, all through this presidential saga, have you assessed IREF? I didn't have any reason to. Therefore, it is correct that since you haven't assessed it, you are not in position to say whether the results there are readable. Witness replies, that is incorrect. You read the order made by the court in Chicago? Witness replies, yes. Obviously, Labour Party came prepared today and they are roasting the witness that the Inec was supposedly saying that they were not going to bring in court. Cross-examination of witness, St. Mike Obayemi Bamidele by LP continues. The court made that order relying on money laundering provisions. Witness section 98(2), not 981. Give him exhibit RA9, the letter by IG of police. Please confirm that you never saw the letter written by IG of police. Witness, I saw it. Did you tender it here? A Labour Party counsel asks witness. They tendered it. Witness replies, did you see it? I saw it and it was tendered. Is that what you have? What I have is the response. Does that make any reference to the Chicago case? Yes, it does, for the general record. You know what money laundering is? Yes. Kindly confirm before my lords that this particular decision at the US court has nothing to do with money judgment. Witness replies, yes. Bashetima, no re-examination and we apply to discharge the witness. Court, you are hereby discharged. Bashetima, after conferring with my colleagues, the evidence of this witness is sufficient. We hereby close our case with the witness. APC, on the other hand, on a very sober reflection, it is our belief that there is no need to call any witness. We have decided that we have established our case too. Court, do we take that to mean that you have closed your own case? APC replies, yes, case closed. If I were Levy, we would just withdraw our case. Levy, so you are afraid of further damage to your case? Levy asks APC. APC replies, you haven't made any damage at all. Court is hereby adjourned till a date that will become communicated later. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Peace.